Hello one, in this video I am going to talk about that how we are earned through Amazon FBA program. So sell on Amazon FBA by leveraging existing popular listings, start small and scale up. So durations, horse students or occupations CDP, learn how to source products, wholesale or arbitrage, and sell for a profit using Amazon FBA with this free online course. This free online Amazon fulfillment course will teach you about how you can start selling online by starting small and scaling up the Amazon FBA. You will study how to set up your Amazon account, identify the best product to sell and source from domestic while sellers. You will also learn how to prepare your inventory for Amazon FBA, add your inventory to existing Amazon listings and ship your inventory to the Amazon warehouse. So start your free trial by clicking on this option. So view course model. So also we can check out the descriptions. Selling on Amazon FBA can be an existing and profitable venture. In this free online course you will that there are two main ways to sell on Amazon. You can either create your own brand new listings, or you can leverage existing successful listings. Both methods have pros and cons like everything. This course focuses on leveraging existing successful listings. So you will learn everything you need to know, from setting up and verifying your Amazon account to identifying and sourcing the best products to sell. You will also learn how to win the buy box. This is where 80% of sales on Amazon come from. Topics covered in detail include getting ready to sell on Amazon, identifying profitable products, wholesales or arbitrage, all about costs and profit finding, while sellers, prepping and shipping your inventory to Amazon, winning the box buy box, promoting your product and managing inventory and scaling up. This course is taught tough by an instructor with 5 years of experience of selling on Amazon. Start the course today and you will learn how to use free tools for research, how to manage cash flow, how to set goals for sales and profit, and much more. And having completed this course you will be able to approach selling on Amazon without private labeling or creating your own listings. Start with a small budget and scale up. Analyze the Amazon marketplace for the best products to sell. Find and source wholesale products at the best price. Find and source products using retail arbitrage with free apps and tools. Identify and take advantages of existing established Amazon listing. Prepare and send your product to Amazon FBA. Compete to take share of the buy box for high sales volume products. Evaluate and use tools to help win the buy box more of the time. Manage multiple products, know which products to restock and when. So this was a little review of this website. If you are interested in our content, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.